guys, hope you all are doing well. We all know that forests are the lungs of nature that provide oxygen for us to breathe, survive, and maintain a healthy ecosystem. What is a forest? A forest is a large area of land covered with trees. Many small plants like grasses, shrubs, wildflowers are also found here. We depend on forest for our survival, from the air we breathe to the wood we use. For the million of people, the forest is the major source of livelihood and daily needs. Do you know that 70% of the world's animals depend on forest for their homes? It provides protection to wildlife. But sadly, about 80% of the Earth's original forests have been cleared or destroyed. There is a fun way to remember the most important points in forest preservation called trees. That is, teach, restore, encourage, establish, and support. We can take small steps to save forest. Use paper wisely. We can make a space for reusable paper. Dedicate a spot in your home for paper that's blank on one side. Then reuse it before you recycle it. We should also use both sides of paper. This one saves a lot of paper. We can also use scrap paper for coloring, drawing, sketching. We can use scrap paper for decorating our house, making best out of waste. We can borrow, share, and donate books. We read a lot around here, which translates into tons of books and therefore lots of paper. We can donate our old books to the library. You can contribute to the efforts against deforestation by doing these easy steps. Plant a tree where you can. Go paperless at home and in the office. Buy recycled products and then recycle them again. Buy certified wood products. Read the labels and look for FSC mark, that is Forest Stewardship Council mark. Support the products of companies that are committed to reducing deforestation. It's all about business. If you don't buy, they will be encouraged to improve their practices. Don't use palm oil products. Palm oil production is said to have responsible for about 8% of the world's deforestation between 1990 and 2008. With the help of social media, you can raise awareness in your circle and in your community. Save the forest. Hope you like the video.